In this video, you'll learn how to prepare your matrix for field use and how to properly align it on the tractor. After unfolding the machine, you first start by bringing the rear support wheels into their working position. Lift it slightly so that the pin is relieved of pressure. Pull out the pin, move the wheel into the upper working position, and insert the pin back into the corresponding hole. Then secure the pin. Repeat this process on the other side. In the next step, check the top links of the depth control wheels. For the basic rough adjustment, the measurement should be 390 mm from the center of one pin to the center of the other pin. It is crucial that all top links are set to the same length. If the length of the top links for the depth control wheels is different, the machine will not run smoothly over the ground and the depth control will not function correctly. This is a common source of error in practice and should therefore be checked. Next, align the machine behind the tractor. The machine must run straight behind the tractor and must not pull at an angle or offset. Now adjust the lower link stabilizers so that the machine has no lateral play. The machine must not sway to the left or right, otherwise the row spacing will change and the placement quality will suffer. The next important point is the adjustment of the lift rods on the tractor. The matrix has a slotted hole at the attachment point of the lower link. The slotted hole allows the machine to adapt to the ground during operation. Adjust the lift rods so that, with the machine lowered, there is still about 10 to 15% of the lifting range remaining on the tractor's linkage, and make sure that both sides are set to the same length. Only in this way can the machine compensate for uneven ground and work properly in the field. In the field, the best way to check this is by using the depth control wheels. The depth control wheels must maintain constant contact with the ground and rotate evenly. If individual depth control wheels lose contact or stop turning, the lift rods need to be adjusted accordingly. Next, adjust the top link between the tractor and the matrix. For the basic setting, use the pendulum in the mounting frame as a reference. This pendulum absolutely needs to be perfectly and properly aligned. If this is not the case, adjust the top link until this position is achieved. This setting is a rough basic adjustment for the machine. The fine adjustment is then carried out in the field. To do this, drive a few meters with the machine lowered and get out. Now check the seed coulter on the seeding unit. The seed coulter should be aligned parallel to the ground. If the coulter assembly is still tilted too far forward or backward, you should carefully make a slight readjustment to the connecting top link located between the tractor and the machine. Only when the coulter runs parallel to the ground is the machine correctly fine-tuned. This adjustment is absolutely essential for uniform seed placement and a very clean field emergence. When all these points are properly and accurately set, the matrix is properly mounted, correctly aligned, and ready for field use. We wish you a great deal of success throughout this entire season.